It's another Orona escalator. It's actually a Schindler, a rebadged Schindler by Orona, here in Palma de Mallorca. Look at that! Wow. Yeah, Orona. Schindler, but rendered as Orona, installed by Orona themselves. I don't know why. Let's go down. We'll take one more ride up. Then we will film the elevators, which are also Orona. Right around the corner there. You can see it a little bit. Let's go up again. Cool. Single file though. Yeah, cool. Yeah, very nice ceiling up there. Gorgeous. Let's finish this off here and then we'll get to the elevators. That's it.